That feeling when I get to enjoy my new hijab, though this feels weird because of this. Obviously I don't like hijab that doesn't have a face, like a head, so it looks weird. The shape of my face looks weird, but it's nice.
Why it's in the milk? What is going on, ladies? Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Oh my, it has pop. Have you any anymore?
Literally burnt. I made a mistake. I think the oil was not enough, so the edges are all burnt, but then it's nice. It tastes so nice. Oh my god, but it's burnt. But yeah, I like setting the chair in the middle of the room like this, so that I won't look at anything. Like, room is empty and I'll just focus on my hadda. So yeah, let's begin.
Few moments later.
She meant something. You go look or you no go look. I have to come with this person to write jam story of my life.
Six and a half hours later.
So I later did this video where I was literally ranting, though I don't think I'd ever get to post it. Anyways, the thing is, I've been off TikTok and Instagram for a while. I think it's almost up to a month now, before Eid. and I don't know, I've just been off. I'm not even sure when I'm going to be back, but then I think I just really needed a break. So it's sort of like a dopamine detox, but I'm watching movies this time around. You can watch my previous dopamine detox video to understand what I'm saying. So yeah, I think the vlog is going to end here, but then I'm doing this social media cleansing in a way, and I'm regulating what I watch. So I decided to share some clips with you guys from recent videos I've been watching, just so that you all would learn. And any video I share, trust me, is a must watch because there is so much to learn from.
Automatically and naturally reflect on the names of Allah Ar-Rahim.
Say, I seek forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And when his students asked him, why is it that you said to all three people, say astaghfirullah,
whoever fasts Ramadan and says to themselves that I'm not going to return to any form of disobedience after Ramadan, I'm not going to go back to my old ways, then
that you feel when you get comfortable, you start to kind of lose the self-respect that you have for yourself.
They call this name in weakness and in fear, in pain and in tears. It's simply Al-Latif. Now, what does Al-Latif mean?
Where was I before I was born? Why is this my family chosen? And different things like that. Just all about.
Right? Like, see, a lot of this anger we see on these anonymous accounts is people that never had no one to talk to. Yo, man, I put it in the book.
But Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala tells in the Quran, وَقَالَ رَبُّكُمُ ادْعُونِي أَسْتَجِبْ لَكُمْ.
Kitchen now. The kitchen's a shambles. This is gonna kill me for this, yeah. Let's be real, man. We keep it real. Kitchen needs to be cleaned as well, bro.
The job's.
So yeah, basically those are the main videos in my downloads that I think are important to share. Those are channels I follow back to back at every single time. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.